I will get up to 50% referral commission from CoinEx.
Powered by Desi Crypto. So here we are at the CoinEx Exchange booth. So we see, because first of all, why is this exchange important? Because in my early days I have got a small airdrop, a very small amount of airdrop from the CoinEx Exchange. So that's the reason that it's close to my heart. No shilling or no publicity stunt, just telling my original story. And apart from this, let me start with your introduction. So what's your name, buddy?
Yeah, my name is Aravinth. I am from South India, mainly based on Chennai.
So let me start with, we talk about the business later.
Yeah.
We will tell you about the CoinEx Exchange later. But let me know about how did you start your crypto journey or blockchain journey?
In 2016 onwards, I entered in crypto. That time I entered without basic knowledge. I am always just beginner only. After that, I am learning a little bit late. After that I started YouTube channel, and mainly I entered in trading field. Before that I am doing stock trading. Later I learned crypto trading also. Currently I am doing stock and crypto trading. After 2018 I joined in CoinEx Exchange as a trading user. That time CoinEx providing new users gives airdrops that time. So many users joined that time only. In 2020 onwards, I have started working in CoinEx Exchange.
Yeah. So what are you guys? What's your designation? I didn't get that. In 2020 you joined CoinEx Exchange as a?
Yeah, first time I joined as a marketing ambassador.
Okay.
Later I am currently after after entering some interview, I got promoted as a CoinEx country manager for India.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are right now the CoinEx country manager for India. So first of all, if we speak about the CoinEx Exchange, how is it different from other exchanges? Because there are huge giant players which are offering compatible, I would say, the much cheaper transaction fees or a much cheaper trader fees, I would say, because in the spot the top exchanges are offering 0.1% transaction fees or trading fees, or 0.2% trading fees. So right now, what is CoinEx Exchange offering to the user as of now?
Yeah, CoinEx Exchange based on mining company, which is via BTC. Their main business is mining. After that only they started in crypto exchange. So it's, we have 5 ecosystem. One is via BTC mining pool, another one is CoinEx Exchange, and via wallet, which is decentralized, and another one OneSub, that's also decentralized exchange. And the reason last year we started CoinEx Smart Chain also, own blockchain. So all are we have 5 ecosystem. CoinEx is one of them. And also in CoinEx, KYC is non-mandatory till now, and without KYC we can withdraw up to $10,000 per day. Yeah, right now many exchanges not allowing users to trade future without KYC, but in CoinEx you can trade futures and spot as well.
That's a one great thing to know. But I still I still don't get my point. One point. I will be thankful that you have already mentioned this. But can you please tell us what's the trading fees on the spot exchange? If you have remember, or we will just check it out from the drop.
Yeah, fees are almost the same as other exchanges, but we have some special privilege for CET, I mean native tokens holders. And also our native token is CET, which have some special benefits like that. We are doing daily repurchase compared to none of the exchanges doing daily repurchase. In our exchange, native token, we are daily repurchase and monthly burn. So day by day, getting supply is getting lower. I mean currently they are doing 20% transaction fee as only for repurchasing native token. So right now around 3.
So basically, whatever the collection team makes during a day, out of they repurchase the 20% from that.
That profit for the CET as a repurchase, and every day is happening at Indian time. It's around 5:30 to 6 a.m. Daily they are repurchasing and updating in special special website link. You can check daily how many they are purchasing. Like that, they are doing from almost 2 years from. Before that, they are doing 50% fees as repurchase. After reaching 3 billion supply, right now they are doing 20% trading fees as repurchase, and every month they burn that total token. Till now, currently our volume total supply reached below 3 billion supply. So day by day getting demand, it will help to it will increase our native token demand. So that's the main reason for doing a repurchase. Yeah.
Okay, so that's pretty great to know that you guys are also focusing on the daily repurchase as well as the monthly burn, have you mentioned, because most of the exchanges focus on quarterly burning, but in that particular time they can.
CoinEx is one of the exchange only. I know only CoinEx doing only daily repurchase concept. Other exchanges doing maybe quarterly purchase or monthly purchase, but CoinEx doing daily repurchase and monthly burn.
Does this coin exchange
No validity for this. It will continue until total CET burn. This is our main reason for CET growth. Yeah.
So what's like? Does it also have a limited supply, or does the token also unlock daily?
No. It's limited supply, and all tokens are previously unlocked. It's fully circulating right now.
That's
no more tokens will be mint. So already it's all servers.
So what's the benefit? Because if any user buy this token or purchase this token or hold this token for a longer period of time, do they also get different exchanges like trading fees discounts or trading fees?
Yeah, we also providing. See, if users holding CET, we are providing trading fee discount, and we are providing airdrop. Some new projects listed in CoinEx Exchange, we are providing airdrop for CET. Those all holding CET, they will get some benefit also, and also referral commission also. If they hold the CET, they will get more referral commission, and also ambassador program also there in CoinEx. They will get up to 50% referral commission from CoinEx. This is also they are acquiring many ambassadors from globally.
So thank you so much once again for telling us so many things about the CoinEx exchange is doing globally, as well as I think do they also have a special campaign running for the Indian audience or the Indian content creators?
Yeah, recently we are doing KOL marketing in India. We are doing promotion and a tutorial video for CoinEx. They are doing with the YouTubers, and also some kind of Telegram cooperation and Twitter cooperation also currently running. And we are doing offline event also. Last week we are cooperating with the Octolib team, and we are done offline event in Chennai. So this week also we are cooperating with the Web3 team and doing offline event.
Yeah, so thank you so much once again, man. A lot of people who is trying to explore different exchanges as well, so they can try out this exchange totally. The best thing about this, that I remember, as I told you, that in 2019 I got a very small airdrop of I would say the TON community token was one of the token that were trying. So I got I got at that CoinEx exchange, and your guys still survived the worst bear market that we have seen in the 2021, where the biggest collapse has been happened.
Yes, that's what I am saying. We are doing, my main business is mining. CoinEx is crypto and global exchange, and that bear market only we are doing more marketing in various countries. And also CoinEx main motive is best for giving best for newbies best for beginners. CoinEx is one of the best exchange for trading in starting period of time, because we are providing best UPI mobile apps and Android and iPhone, which is very user friendly compared to other exchanges. So we are mainly targeting for new users right now. And also bear market only we are doing lot of promotion in various countries. Currently also Indian marketing also doing. That's why we are here. Yeah.
Thank you so much once again for telling us all this information. I hope the users who haven't tried this exchange yet can create their account and share the feedback with our community, so that we can reach out to you guys and you can create the things for the best users that they can have. Thank you so much once again. Powered by Desi Crypto.